Hi, it's me, Luis. I make amigurumis and any crochet related projects. Welcome to Ziru. Have you seen my previous videos? In part 1, we did the arms and legs and how to join the legs. And then in part 2, we did the body and how to attach the arms. And then now this is the final part. We are going to make this head, and here is the amigurumi that we created in 2 parts. If you haven't seen them, I'll put the link in the description box, as well as all the links that is related to this amigurumi. This is also for sale. If you want to purchase them, I will also put the shop link in the description box. And if you're new to my channel, please do subscribe and click the notification bell so that you will not miss any of my videos. So let's begin. We ended with 6 single crochet in the neck, or in the previous round. Now we are going to increase each stitches, meaning 2 single crochet in each stitch, and we should have 12 single crochet. I'm done with the first round. Now let's move on to round 2. And we're going to put 1 single crochet and increase. Just repeat this pattern and you will have 18 stitches in total. Now we're done with round 2. Now let's move on to round 3. We are going to put 1 single crochet, increase, and then 1 single crochet. Repeat this around and you will have 24 stitches in total. We're done round 3. Now we're going to do the round 4. The pattern is single crochet in the next 3 stitches and then increase. Repeat this pattern around and you will have 30 stitches in total. Slip stitch and chain 1. Now we just add 1 more increase round, and this is round 5. Pattern is single crochet in the next 2 stitches, increase, and then another single crochet in the next 2 stitches. Repeat this around and you will have 36 single crochet. So we are going to do 6 rounds of single crochet around. That is 6 to 11 rounds. With the stitch marker here, I can easily count the rounds, how many is the single crochet around. And in the pattern it says 6 rounds of single crochet around. So this is the first round, second, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth. So the stitch marker helps to count the rounds easily. And then let's move on to the next round, round 12. We are now going to decrease. So the pattern is 2 single crochet or single crochet in the next 2 stitches, decrease, and then 2 single crochet or single crochet in the next 2 stitches. Just repeat this pattern and you will have 30 stitches. I'm done with round 12. Round 13. The pattern is single crochet in the next 3 stitches and then decrease. Repeat this pattern around and you will have 24 stitches in total. Now I'm done in round 13. Now in round 14 we are going to decrease. Again, the pattern is single crochet, decrease, and then single crochet. So the pattern is single crochet, decrease, and then single crochet. Repeat this pattern around and you will have 18 stitches. Now I'm done in round 14. Now I'm going to stop this. Round 15. The pattern is single crochet, decrease. Repeat this pattern around and you will have 12 single crochet. So round 16, this is the last round. We're going to decrease 6 times and we will have 6 stitches in total. Fasten off, and leave enough yarn tail Now we're done with our Spider-Man amigurumi. So this is what it looks like. So if you learned something from my video, please like and share, and don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell so you won't miss any of my videos. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.